Hi, in this video I'm going to show you 4 quick easy edits. One to see working with keyframes, one to preview the player, 2 for making quick easy edits on the timeline to delete information. At the end of this video you've got a playlist with more CapCut for PC video editing tutorials. Highlight the timeline, position your cursor and then press a Q on the keyboard. Then it will delete whatever's on the timeline on the left hand side. Highlight the timeline, then press W on your keyboard. It will delete the right hand side. In this video we're going to look at keyframes, the shortcut for keyframes. So if you press Alt and K on your keyboard, then you can see the keyframes there. There's a menu that runs along the top, so you can add the keyframes as well. Add more keyframes, adjust keyframes. You can adjust keyframes with your mouse. So when editing, if you press the space bar, it will stop and start the player. This is only for preview.